Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to position each of these where they need to go. So according to the instructions on activity 134, I need to take this and that side, and I need to make it parallel essentially to the bottom or top of this rectangle. I could make it parallel to even that axis right there. It's kind of difficult to choose. So I'm going to do that one down there. I'm going to go to my constraints. I'm going to go to parallel, and that one's parallel. And then I'm also supposed to put that point coincident right on that line. So I'm going to do that. Coincident. Okay, and what still possibly can move? Well, I can check that. I can try to move this around a little bit, and you see that when I try to move that point, it can only move up and down. So the last thing that our instructions tell us is that the dimension from that line to this axis, undo that. All right, that line to the axis. Let's see if it'll let me choose it. That dimension is, oh man, that's not working. There we go. That dimension is supposed to be 0.5. All right, so now that I've done that, it's black, it's locked in. That's that one's done. So now what I'm going to do, all right, in this next step, I'd like to get the hexagon locked in where it's supposed to be. So I'm going to go to the hexagon, and first things first, I need one of the sides to be parallel to that top side right there. So I'm going to make those parallel. Then I need that point coincident on this line. And then I need the center to be 0.5 inches away from the edge. All right, so that one is black, which means it is locked into its position as well. Okay, next step is I need to lock the triangle into place. The triangle needs to be have its vertex coincident with this vertex. So we'll start with that. Then this center needs to be coincident with that line right there. And you can see that is now locked into position.